Hello again everyone, this is Diorama Don. The last two projects I did, the last one was Hill Valley Courthouse from the movie Back to the Future. And the one before that was a Roman ruin, Italy 1943. And you can see they both incorporate Roman columns. To make the columns, I ordered some corrugated sheets, just small squares of corrugated sheets. And it led me to thinking, well, what can I make with the remaining? Because for £2, about $3, they sent me all this lot. So I don't really know what to do with it all. So if anybody wants any corrugated paper, I've got plenty. So I wondered what to make with the remaining corrugated paper that I've got. And as both of these two projects were quite complicated, especially the courthouse, that took quite a long time to do, and also the Roman ruin, I thought I'd do something nice and simple and easy for a change for me. So what I thought of making was a Nissen hut. So if you're making World War II dioramas, Nissen huts were very, very prevalent in especially Air Force bases and Army bases. They were prefabricated buildings made or invented by a man called Mr. Nissen. And he devised a way of making a portable building, if you like, prefabricated off-site, so that it would be a very easy and quick method of making some kind of building on a Air Force base. So if you are doing dioramas, then Nissen huts would prevail quite a bit on your diorama. So what I've done, I started off with a semicircle of cardboard, 3mm again. I think 18 centimeters wide, something like that. And that will sit on a base, like so. No, that'll be at the back, like that. And then the front with the doors and windows will sit there. So that's basically all the building is. Very simple, very easy. So I've made the windows and doors. They will sit in there like so, on the front there. And then some more corrugated paper to make the roof will sit in a semicircle over the top. But we'll need some kind of support. So I've made these supports. These will glue in position there, like that. Can you see? And then one there, and one the same the other side, so that when the roof goes on, it won't cave in. It's got some kind of support. Normally painted green. I suppose there were other colours. The front door was normally whatever door they could get hold of from a demolition site or any old door. So no specific colour for the front. So I'll glue this together so you can see what I'm getting at, and then we'll paint it green, and that'll be it. It'll be a nice, easy, quick project. So I'll put these together and back in a moment. Okay, so I've glued everything together, put a couple of extra supports in at the side there as well. I've got the windows in and glazed. All I did was just stick that behind the cardboard and paint the door blue. So all we've got to do now is put that over the top, stick that on like that, and paint it, and that will be it. That's all that's required. Very easy. So I'll put this on, I'll put the roof on, paint it all up, and I'll show you the finished project. Okay, there we are, all finished now, painted up. I've done the best I can. It's not the greatest paint job, but then the painting isn't necessarily the object of the exercise. It's the making of the building, just to show how simple it is, really. A Nissen hut wouldn't be out of place on any World War II diorama. You could paint it in camouflage colours, I suppose, really, because a lot of them were. But it's a very basic, easy thing to make, and not cost very much either. So there we are, one Nissen hut. I think Mr. Nissen went on to make Japanese cars, didn't he? Or was that Nissan? Oh, I don't know. So anyway, there we go, all finished. Very quick, easy project to do. Again, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It costs nothing to subscribe, and you will be informed when I put new videos on YouTube. I normally put 2, maybe 3 videos a week of various different things that I've made. So again, thank you for watching, and in the meantime, happy modelling.